Deion shit.
YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy J Money, also known as the Sneaker Fanatic, back at it again with another banger for y'all, man. So today, y'all know the Deion Sanders Air Trainer Max 96 Diamond Turf dropped today, and I've been eyeing this shoe for a minute. I never had it when I was a kid, so I knew that this was a must cop for me. So to start off with, we got this OG Nike box, similar to like an Air Jordan 12 box. And got the Nike check on it. And the colorway reads, Black, White, Varsity Maze, Air DT Max 96. Size 8.5. Let's get to it. Man, this is a beast. Here it is. The Nike Air DT Diamond Turf Max 96 Deion Sanders. For those of y'all that don't know, man, this is a Deion Sanders exclusive shoe. Deion Sanders is the coach of the Colorado football team. He's a NFL Pro Bowler, a legend. It's not a lot to not say about Deion Sanders, man. Prime time. This shoe reminds me a lot of the Griffey Air Max, another classic shoe. Also the Barkleys, another classic as well. Charles Barkley CB 94. Man, all three of those shoes are similar, but this one in particular is one of my favorites, man. And I had to cop it, and I'm actually might double up on these, man. These shoes are just that fire, man. But anyway, you got this little graphic detail in that black color. Got the nice air bubble going all the way around the heel. Got the Varsity Maze Nike check. Got air on the back of the heel tab. Got that Varsity Maze Nike check on this side. And then got that nice strap going across the shoe, man, which is a dope touch to the shoe in my opinion. This is how the strap on the KD should have been, just like this, man. Where you could do it like this. This is probably how I'll be rocking mine 90% of the time. This is how the strap on the KD should have been, like that, on the KD4s. But anyway, the lacing system on this shoe is, you don't have no loops. You do got loops. You don't have no holes. You just got these little eyelets right here. So it's a very easy to lace shoe. For some reason, I think I might have to get a size 9 because my foot is kind of tight right up in this area right here. But still very wearable shoe, just a little tight right up in here. So I recommend going not true to size, go a half size up. Definitely don't go a size down. Go a half size up or true to size. If you like your shoe fitting if you like your shoe fitting a little tight, go a half size. Go true to size, and if you like it a little looser, go a half a size up. Definitely do not size down on these. But yeah, you got your black suede going all down this toe box right here. Then I like how the leather pops out of the suede, because all of this little graphic, all of that is suede up until it get to the midsole, which is leather. And then the most, in my opinion, the dopest part about the shoe is you got, I don't know if y'all can see that good, Deion Sanders' face is right there inside of the air bubble, man. That's dope, man. Okay, then going to the outsole, you got your black Nike swoosh, all white outsole, and then at the toe, you got this little bit of black right here. And this little field goal logo right here. And then on the inside, you have diamond turf on the inside with the baseball bats. Like I say, man, this shoe is very, very limited from what I'm told. So if you are able to get a pair, definitely do not sleep. Definitely go cop your pair, man. This shoe is very limited. It's not going to be a lot of pairs, and once they gone, that's it. And I expect right now, the prices on these shoes, resale is not too much over retail. So I expect it to go like, by the end of the year, this will be well over $300. So if you're able to get it now, I suggest you get it now. This is a nice, very nice shoe to have in the collection. Must cop for me. All my OG sneakerheads. If y'all know anything about nostalgia shoes, this is one to get. In the comments, let me know what y'all think about the Deion's, man. These, matter of fact, I was just reading something online too. I was just reading something online that said this was the fastest selling shoe. Once Nike dropped it, it sold out in minutes at all the stores plus online. This was the fastest selling shoe. So yeah, Deion definitely got that magic touch, man. Like the man, like his nickname, Prime Time, Deion Sanders. Shout out Colorado, shout out Deion Sanders. And I appreciate you for redropping this, man. For real. I'm definitely gonna snatch up another pair for sure. But I heard we're supposed to be getting the red colorway, which is predominantly white with the red little graphics going across. Not really a fan of it, but I'll still get it to add it to the collection. As long as I got this one though, I feel like I'm on top of the world. And I was able to pick these up from my local Hibbett Sports for under retail because I had coupons. But I ended up paying $172, you know, with taxes and stuff. I actually got $10 off, so it was $162, but then they add $12 taxes, so $172, which is still, the retail price is $170, so I still got it under retail in my opinion. But again, it's the Sneaker Fanatic Air Diamond Turf 96 Deion Sanders, and I'm gone. Peace.